Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError, NoneType object is not subscriptable. This error occurs when you try to use square bracket notation to access an element or slice of an object that is of type NoneType, which is the type of the None object in Python. Here's an example of code that could trigger this error. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. In this example, my_list is assigned the value of none, which means it has no value and is of type NoneType. When we try to access its first element using square brackets and the index 0, Python raises a type error because NoneType objects do not support indexing. To fix this error, we need to make sure that the object we are trying to access with square brackets is not none. For example, let's run this code. Here is the results. In this example, my_list is a list of integers, not none, so we can use square bracket notation to access its first element without triggering a type error.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.